Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make this beautiful acrylic painting on canvas. So for that I took 8 by 10 inches canvas, small one, and then I have all these acrylic paints, and I also use some modeling paste in some areas to get the texture. But if you do not have modeling paste, that is okay, you can just use the acrylic paints. And now the first step I'm doing is painting with ultramarine blue for the sky. You can use a medium sized brush to paint the sky, or you can use larger brush. And to this I'm adding some light blue and blend it with the ultramarine, because sky has different sorts of colors. So blending the two blues together. I don't usually use much water, but if you want you can add a tiny bit of water to make it easy to paint. And in some areas I'm also using white to make it a lighter blue, and then again blending. And this is the area where you see the water, so that's why I'm making it with the mix of ultramarine blue, because water area is always darker compared to the sky. And this is the beach. Using a mix of different kinds of blues. One is ultramarine blue and the other one is the light blue, light sky blue. This is already looking so beautiful. Now we will add some sand and some trees. And in some areas, like you can see, I'm adding little white to show the reflection, and in some areas the waves. The frothy waves, that's what I'm showing it in white. You can paint randomly, like as if it looks like a foam on the sea. And before we take the next color, I usually wash off the brush with water. And for the beach area, I'm using some burnt sienna and white to get almost like the color of the sand. You can mix white if you want the sand area to be lighter shade, and gently blend the sand area with water. This painting is really relaxing to make. And for the coconut tree, I am using the same color. You could in fact also use the mix of burnt sienna and burnt umber for the branch. So for this, for getting the texture, I'm using Liquitex modeling paste, and I mix with different colors to get the texture, like to get a three-dimensional texture for the painting. And I use palette knife to apply the textures. So that way it will give almost like an abstract feeling to the painting. And if you don't have modeling paste, that is okay. You can just paint with palette knife using regular acrylic paint if you don't need the textures. So I'll let you watch this video, and I will be adding similar textures in the coconut tree leaves also. So if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe because I post videos every day.